Yeah, good morning. It's Jim from JagFX.com. It is Thursday, the 7th of August, 2025. Just have a look at some trades I'm taking on the daily time frame using the high probability and divergence trading methods from my books. Normally I'd say they're Forex, but we've got 5 new trades and 2 of them are not Forex. So let's get into them. We'll start with the Aussie USD. Remember I said this is the daily chart. There's one thing I want to point out straight away. All 5 trades involve the US dollar. So they're all against the US dollar. So there's a strong correlation there. So just be careful of your overall risk. So we'll start with the Aussie. Ignoring all these trades to the left, that's just some of my trade management stuff that you can read here. I've taken a few losses on this. I'm in a loss recovery, LRM, loss recovery based on the MACD Platinum. Don't worry about that too much. We're just concentrating on today, which is the 7th of August. It's a buy signal. Now you can read my notes here. All right, so it's a valid buy. The MACD Platinum, which is the zero lag MACD, is below the zero level, so I'm in buy mode. There's supporting hidden bullish divergence there, which I love. I've got a couple of concerns though. Even though we've taken the buy here, I'm going to take it every day of the week. It's a valid setup, but I'm just going to point out a couple of things. This green dash line, these green dash lines are big round numbers. This one up here is a 65-cent level. That's a big number in the Aussie USD. As you can see, price struggles around it. Just imagine like 100,000 on Bitcoin or something like that. This is a big round number. So it's a bit of a magnet. And basically, I've taken the buy right on that price. Now, whether that holds or not, I don't know. These 2 yellow lines up here are just my target for loss recovery. Don't worry about them too much. They're actually in a pretty good spot because they're at the highs here. My other concern is we've had this pretty constant and long regular bearish divergence, the red trend line there. So price has been grinding up slowly without really setting the world on fire. We've hit this sort of ceiling here, this aqua blue line, and we've come down. So market structure looks like it could be changing. Who knows? But the MACD Platinum is below the zero level, has been for a little while. It's a valid buy signal, so take it. Just watch your risk. That's all I'm saying. That's the Aussie USD. That's a buy. Next one is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a new buy signal today. Again, these green levels are the big round numbers, 120,000. That's a bit of a problem for Bitcoin. There's 100 there, and that's the 80 there. So today was a buy supported by a hidden bullish divergence. You can see the green trend lines there. Price has come back to the moving averages, which is great. What else is there? And the good thing is I've still got this partial sell on from, what date's that? The 16th of July. I took a sell here at the high risk trade. I've already closed half. Got to stop just that red dotted line. There's my stop on that. So I can't lose overall, even though it's on the wrong side of the entry. I've already closed half. So I've got a partial hedge. If price rolls over and keeps on going down, some of the loss on the buy trade I've taken today will be offset by that previous sell. The worst case scenario, pops up, takes out my stop, then comes down and I have a loss on the buy side. But the MACD Platinum's a long way below the zero level, which is good. So it's not too bad. Not too bad a setup. All right, next one's the pound USD. I'll just show you today's trade. I have got a lot happening on the pound USD, but don't worry about it. We're just concentrating on today's. It's a valid buy signal. It's supported by regular bullish divergence there, the green trend line. Prices come down to 240. These moving averages, that's the 50 EMA, 100 EMA, and 240 linear weighted moving average. They just seem to work. So the MACD Platinum's below the zero level a long way, so I'm in buy mode. So the first signal would have been this one here, which is based on that support level, but price only went up a little bit, and it's falling down, and it's given us this regular bullish divergence. Now, a couple of concerns here. One is market structure. So now we've got lower highs and lower lows. So you can see that it's possible that the structure, because we've been in a long uptrend here, back all the way from back here, it's been up, 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 up. Trends always change eventually. So this may be going to the downside. So that's my one concern. My second concern is our UK interest rate news today, later today, less than 12 hours, and they're expecting a rate cut. Now, whether that's already built into the price, I don't know, but it's going to create some volatility on this pair. So it's just something to be aware of. But it's a new valid buy signal, so I'm having a look at it. I'm taking it, but just be careful of your risk percentage there. And like I said previously, all these trades involve the USD, so you've got an overall risk also to consider. That's the pound new buy. CAD, I've got a lot happening on the CAD also, but just concentrate on today's setup. It's a sell. Here is the MACD Platinum's been above the zero level for a while, so it puts me in sell mode. The only thing that it's troubling me, again, this is a pair that's been in a downtrend for a while, looking at the moving average, but it's found this support level here. Look at this, 1, 2, 3. Triple sort of bottom sort of setup, but it is a valid sell setup, albeit market structure is a bit ugly, but it is what it is. It's a sell. There's a red QMP filter dot, so we're taking a sell. Yeah, I probably didn't mention I've based all my trades on these dots here. All these are, I call them a QMP filter. I'm not sure how I come up with the filter part, but QMP is just short for MACD Platinum, which is this indicator. And the Q stands for the QQE Advance, which is not on the chart, but it's a combination of the MACD Platinum and the QQE Advanced crosses. When they're in sync, that gives me these red and blue dots on the price chart. All right, finally, the last one is, what is it? Silver. XAG USD is a buy signal. There's a buy today. It's a decent setup. You can see the trends going up. There's hidden bullish divergence there. You can see the green trend lines. MACD Platinum's below the zero level. So it's a bread and butter, good, nice, with the trend type trade. We're stuck in no man's land between the $35 level and the $40 level. So we just need price to go up and take out this high here, and we'd be a bit more relaxed. I actually took a buy on gold a couple of days ago. I'll just show you that. So there's a buy on gold up here, and we've got this big sticking point with gold. But yeah, so today, silver, not a bad setup. Again, the correlations there, just the overall correlation. So just be careful with that. All right, thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll speak to you good folk later. Cheers.